Clearbrow, North Dallas, 2025 Honda Pilot. Full front only on this with full tint, all the glass with XR Plus. 70 on the windshield, 30% is what went all the way around. And on the moonroofs, we did 15 up top. And let's take a look at the PPF installation. We'll start here, back here in this. We'll start with the mirror here. All this is done in one piece, all the way edge to edge. Your fender, all your edges are wrapped. So this cap comes off, we wrap underneath, so there's no line outside here. We wrap underneath the back side of the door, so there's no lines anywhere on this fender. And all this is all wrapped in. Take this little cap off here. No edges anywhere here, here. Everything's rolls into the engine bay. The hood rolls under the engine bay. The hood's 100%, the fenders are 100%. They roll into this big crack. It was nice of Honda to leave us this big opening. And coming around to the hood, this car has 9,000 miles on it. So it had a couple little hits from rocks prior. It's always good to try to get the car in as soon as you can before any damage happens. But there's a nice crystal clear hood, nice wrapped edges. This black's done nice and clean. The H is done. The full bumper is wrapped underneath all the way to the bottom, all the way around all the edges. This black's done. Everything, there's no edges really available on this car at all. Everything's nicely wrapped in all the way around. Same as this fender over there, 100% wrapped in, no edges. The reason you don't want any edges, one, because the edge can get hit by something flying in the road like rocks and whatever. But the big one is when you wash, if you have an edge, let's say you have an edge here, so meaning the line of the PPF terminated on the hood and on the fender and didn't wrap. When you're wiping with your microfibers or rough towels, whatever you use, you're gonna start compromising that edge, and that's not a warrantyable item, that's wear and tear. So wrapping the edge like we do keeps that film hardy for a long time and nice. So nothing can touch that edge. It's underneath all the panels and it's not available to be messed with by any high pressure. So you're always gonna look good. It doesn't even look like it's on the car. She loved the color, but she didn't want to see any lines, and there you go. That's what we do. So clearbrownorthdallas.com is who we are. Clearbrownorthdallas at Gmail. Landline 214-414-3809. Cell 940-703-8301. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow us, and any comments we'll watch for you and get them back to you. Thanks.